Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol DOCU or Docusign Inc. Seeing some articles here. Docusign receives price target cut to 220 from 345 from RBC as fiscal Q3 billings and Q4 revenue guidance disappoint. Outperform is kept. So yeah, that's a really big cut in price target there, all the way down to 220 from 345, showing to be down 40% on the day. I've got the 15-minute chart pulled up here. And yeah, you can see the earnings info released there, and then this massive move to the downside. The RSI at one point on this chart was 8. So yeah, this thing is like beat down like crazy. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame here. Yeah, pretty ugly, pretty far away from the 21-day EMA. Kind of in a little bit of a bleed out, a little bit of a downtrend, a very slight downtrend before the earnings information and before this massive dump. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, oh man, yeah, it broke through this longer term support level of about 183 or so. So yeah, it blew way past that. Let's check out the weekly chart to see if there's any other important price points. Not really seeing anything. Maybe around 90. So I mean, that's pretty far. Would be a pretty far move from here, but since they broke through that, even on the weekly chart, you can see here that this 183 level or so looked to be a pretty long-term support level, and it just blasted right through that. So there's not much else on the chart until you get to around maybe 90 or 100, somewhere in that range. As you can see, there was a little bit of resistance here. So yeah, it was kind of touching that, and then it finally broke through it when it went on this massive run up right here. So yeah, I don't really see any signs of a bottom or anything at this point. So this thing could get pretty ugly and could move quite a bit lower before it finds a bottom. So I would be, maybe keeping my eye around this 90 to 100 level, somewhere in here. If it continues to move down and bleed, to see if that's a point it might bounce off of. But right now, yeah, on the weekly chart, geez, what a nasty candle. Looking into the daily as well, just this huge gap down. And yeah, you don't see any other support levels on this time frame. Let's check out the 15-minute here. And yeah, you see the selling tried to stop here around 157, 158, but then it just fell right through that. So yeah, pretty ugly. No real sign of a bottom or anything yet, but I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker DOCU or Docusign Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.